Welcome, this is the POCO M6 Pro and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first, hold for a while home screen with a finger, select a couple of applications and tap to the left upper corner to folder icon. We could see that we just successfully created a new home screen folder. Also, we could make it by another way, just hold the application and drag it to the folder. To move or to rename the folder, just open it, tap on the name and enter the new one, for example, the apps. If you want to move folder on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold and drag it. To remove application from here, hold it, tap to remove icon. Also, you could hold it and drag it to the home screen, or if you want to remove all of the applications with the folder, hold it and drag it to remove icon. So, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.